Hey guys, my name is Muhammad Amir Haider Rizvi and welcome to Tech Unax. So in this video, I am going to create a Tower Crash 3D game. So let's get started. So first we have to go and search for HTML5 games. Okay, HTML5 games. So now let's click on this link html5games.com. The link is in the description. You can go and check it out. Okay. So now let's select this TowerCrash 3D. Okay. So now what we have to do is just download this game icons 180 x 180 180 multiplied by 180 image and save image as TowerCrash 3D teaser. Okay. So now we have to go to kodular, click on create project, and I will game this as Tower Crash 3D. 3D. Tower Crash. The app name will be Tower Crash. Package name will be com.tower.crash.game. Okay, now let's click on here finish. Okay, so let's upload the icon in the assets manager. Okay, now let's see the image ones. Okay, so now let's click on his settings and put the icon as Tower Crash 3D. Okay, so now what we have to do is I will put an image here. Okay, no, first I will put an grid view. Okay, not the grid view. Okay, I forget it. Let's do it again. Horizontal arrangement. Okay, now let's take a image here. Image. The image will be Tower Crash 3D. And let's put a button here. The button will be play. Play. Okay. So now let's take this horizontal arrangement into center. Okay, now let's hide the title. Okay, so this is looking good to me. Okay, because it's just a basic TowerCrash 3D app. So now what we have to do is copy this link. Okay, so first let's try the game, how it will be. Okay, it is loading. 0%, 98%, 99, and okay, this application looks good. Mm, how it will work? Let's see. Okay, this is an mobile game, so we can't play this with the keyboard. So no problem. Let's just go to Kodular and let's add a screen. So in the screen, we are just going to drag and drop a web viewer from layout views. Okay, the home URL will be the link that we just copied from here. Okay, scroll bar will be not there, visible, zoom display, zoom enabled, not. Okay, So now to earn money from a app, I will just put start.io ads, startup ads in my app. Okay. It is going to be portal.start.io set initial state. Okay, it's Christmas, so there is an update in start.io, my apps. But let's create an app. I haven't published an app here. No. Add new app. Example. Com. Okay. And now let's put the app here. Um, Tower Crash. It's for Android ad app. Copy the app ID. Okay. So now let's put here start up banner ad. One here. No one. Yes. Here. Let's put the wait a minute. Okay. Now let's put the app ID here. Okay. Now I will put an interstitial ad here. Okay. When button one click, call startup interstitial ad load ad, show that interstitial ad, and open another screen name screen 2. And let's put a back button here. Back rounded. Okay, the background color will be purple. Okay, and let's put startup ads here. Startup interstitial, startup banner ad, startup banner ad. Okay, now let's put the app ID. Okay, when button one click, call startup interstitial one load ad, and show the interstitial ad, and open another screen name screen 1. So now let's code here in screen 1 for the banner ads. Yes, when screen 1 initialize, call startup banner ad load ad, startup banner 1, startup banner 2. Let's do the same here. Can we copy this? Help add to backpack collab. Hmm. Okay, so now we can't copy it. When screen 1 initialize, call startup banner 1 load ad, call startup banner 2 load ad. So okay. So this is for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment my channel. And thanks for watching. Share to your friends. Bye bye.